Hello friends, welcome again. This is Rajan. I hope you are doing great. So this is just a continuation of my previous video of Mangalam Organics. In case if you have not seen that video, I would suggest you to watch that video first and then continue this video so that you understand it. Okay, we know that I invested around 18 lakhs and made a profit around 3,13,000 rupees, and the ROI was around 14 to 15%, which was good. And I also mentioned that if things go well and if it breaks out of the flag pattern, I would hold up the trade, and which is exactly what has happened, and I'm also sticking to the trade right now. So the total profit right now is around 55% of my capital, so that the profit comes to 10 lakhs 25,000 or something, so which is a great return. I don't want anything more than this in a month. So whenever you get 40 to 50% in 2 weeks or a month, just close it. I personally exited 65% of my position, and I'm still holding 35% because the momentum is really great, and when I'm recording the momentum is great. I don't know what will happen at the end of the day. So let's see what happened after my previous video. Let's do the analysis and see. This trade, if there is a breakout, and I hope there is a breakout from this because the consolidation period is pretty long, right? Almost for 3 months it has been consolidating. Okay friends, so as I already explained you my entries, why I enter, let me just quickly again explain you. This is the pattern. It broke out of the major resistance, and then it has been consolidating for 3 months, and I found a small kind of a triangle pattern, and after the breakout I entered at 740, and I made a video last time when it touched somewhere around here, and I think I drew a pattern like this, and once it is up, I just didn't exit it. I was just holding up. It was nicely breaking out. The momentum was really good, and exactly at 1,154 is my sell order. Okay, this is exactly where I put my sell order, 1,154, and I have exited 65% of my position here. And I don't know if I caused this. No way I caused this downfall, but probably I just took a better entry. Okay, better exit. I'm just holding 35% to see if the momentum is really good. I don't know if the wick is forming like this. I probably would exit the remaining position as well, right around here. Let's see how it goes. I will wait for the end of the day, and probably tomorrow also, if there is a price appreciation, yeah, I could exit. Okay, let's see what happens. So the main takeaway from here is that if the momentum is really good, you have to hold on to the trades, which is where the maximum profit is. I gained around 15%, right? But what I gained from here is almost 36%. So totally it's more than 57%, around 57%. So this is why you must learn to hold on to the trades. Okay, this is a huge potential to miss, right? It's not a joke. It's a huge miss. If I had exited with 1:2, I would have regretted a lot, right? I did not see any bearish signal to exit. If it was breaking from this, probably I would have exited, but since the momentum was good and since it was breaking out of this flag pattern, it was easy for me to hold, and I had no reason to exit. Correct? So yes, it's a very simple trade and a very simple exit, very simple entry. Yeah, I'm happy with this trade. I hope you learned something out of my 2 videos on Mangalam Organics. Please make sure to like this video so that it helps me, motivates me to upload a lot of videos. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video with patience. See you soon again with another video.